Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video we're going to install a wig and we are going to use the bald cap method. And this is my wig cap, so I'm just going to wear it, and it can be a little bit uncomfortable, especially around the eyes, because you can't be able to see well. And then I'm going to use these scissors to cut around my ears. Oops, with that one I ended up overcutting it, so I'm just going to cut the other ear. And then with the help of this got to be glued hairspray, I'm just going to spray the wig cap, and I'm just using my finger. This is just to ensure that it just goes exactly where I want it to be and doesn't overrun, and also makes the whole process a little bit easier. And then with the help of the blow dryer, I'm just going to fasten the process. I'm using the blow dryer on cool settings. That's why I have it close to my scalp. And then I'm going to cut the excess cap. Just be careful so that you don't end up cutting yourself. And then I'm just going to cut the excess cap around my forehead area. This is quite easy to do. I'm then going to spray the got to be hairspray on my finger and then apply it on the areas where the cap rolled over. And this is how the cap looks so far, and I know most of you don't know what to do with the cap at the back, so this is what you just do. You just tie a knot. Forgive my hair at the back, I know it doesn't look that good. I know, yes, I know. You can do this if you have cornrows, if you have braids, if you have dreadlocks, you can just do this. And then you just cut the excess cap, and then you just tuck it in, and you're good to go at the back. And this is what we have. I'm then going to use my foundation and just apply it all over the cap. Then using a wet wipe, I'm going to rub off the excess makeup on my skin, and then use the blow dryer to just dry up the makeup. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess rolling over of the cap. And this is what we have so far. And this is the wig that we're going to install. This is a custom made wig. I had styled it earlier, so right now I'm just going to measure where I want it to reach. And now I'm just using glue to glue it down. So the glue that I'm using right now is the Ghost Bond glue. So don't apply too much, otherwise it's going to give you a hard time. So just use a little bit of it, and then I applied makeup on the inside part of the wig and then dried it up. And right now what I'm doing is I'm just pushing all the hairs back so that they don't ruin my install. and I'm going in with another layer of the glue, the Ghost Bond glue. So I ended up applying 3 layers of the glue. This is just to help the install last longer. And I'm now going to place the wig exactly where I want it to be and on top of the glue. So before you do this, ensure that your glue is clear and tacky. I'm then going to use this melt band to melt down the lace. And this is what we have. So after some time I took it off. Let's see what we have. And yo, I love this. Look at how beautiful it is, and it's also very firm. I was about to say period. And I'm now just cutting off the excess lace using my scissors. And this is what we have so far. So I'm not yet done, but yeah, look at how beautiful this is. It's so pretty, and I'm in love with it. So beautiful. So I did my makeup later, and then I used a concealer to actually hide the lace, and it's doing a good job. So the concealer I used is the concealer that I used to contour, and I'm in love with this. Don't worry about that line of demarcation because I had a melt band all through. I feel like I didn't do a good job with laying the edges, but we're gonna do that next time. So I'm just applying that concealer, trying to hide the lace, and yo, I'm in love. This is what we have so far. Actually didn't go ahead and style the wig again. I would have done that, but I was so sleepy at this point because it was very late. It was quite late and I was sleepy. I ended up changing the lipstick, and yeah, this is what we have. I'm in love. So thank you for watching, and until next time, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share.